All right, welcome to week 3. So in this week, we're going to be talking about analysis methods and types, trying to break down the notion of analysis and analytics into a structured approach. And that's kind of the point behind what we're going over this week. Analysis is different from just taking guesses. It's different than making estimated guesses or even just kind of using your intuition. What we're trying to do this week is walk through some of the structures and approaches to decomposing a problem and actually approaching it thoughtfully in a way that's sort of mechanized, that hopefully, and what you'll find in the readings, what they're really trying to accomplish is get us to be able to think through problems in ways that avoid what we have seen as critical errors in the past, and in looking at problems and avoid the mistakes that have caused significant problems in the past. So that's what we're going to be looking at this week. We've got an interesting set of readings, so good times there. And we've got an assignment this week that's going to be looking at creating a bit of using a spreadsheet, but basically creating a bit of a simulation, a model, and to look at a problem set, which should be pretty fun. So that's it. We got the usual, the quiz. We'll have some reading, the quiz, go through the presentations, and a discussion question, and then we'll have that assignment that we'll get started on, and should be a good week.